My beautiful and amazing people, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, tori don wowo. After the International Women's Day program, when Regina Daniel and her mama go for Cameroon, una remember say she from there go meet the governor of Southwest Region Cameroon, where they discussed about entertainment and others. They snap picture, they did video of where the man promised her say he is going to collaborate with Regina Daniel and Nigerians, anyone wey be say they ready to do act film, he go collaborate with Nollywood, and anything wey dem wan do make dem carry am along, wey dem no talk say dem need to involve, dem need second party like wetin dem dey even dey call am sef, make dem come together, executive producers. Say if dem want any executive producers, they want coming together to do one or a particular thing, that they should call on him, that he's ready to combine the whole process together, make dem see how they will take come up with something tangible. Of which Regina Daniel was very, very happy that the man is ready to collaborate with her. That who is she, as small as she is, wey this man wan collaborate with her. Now wey she finally come back, una know say na im she come produce that movie Love Me Twice, wey she drop for Uche Obinabo TV, wey she talk say she no wan make Uche Obinabo put her name as the producer, rather make the man put him own name. Now when the video come skyrocket, enter how many million views within a day, na im she confirm am say omo, she still have one parcel left, 1% of the 1% left, wey she go take build her life again. So she wan enter into entertainment fully, and also she wan open her YouTube channel to start dey produce movie back to back. And normally, one thing with this Nollywood entertainment, everybody now is now a producer. But the only thing that made you stand out is your ability to put in money, bring in actors, and give them good films. Now the only thing wey go make you stand out be that, because no be to just produce movie o, no, is to create standard, create the difference, let people see it, because no be only her wan enter into this movie, they don already dey do before now. So according to the information right now, say Regina Daniel come call the chairman wey dem bin meet the last time, wey he say he wan collaborate. She come ask for one or two of their this thing. He come ask am say toh, she wan enter into the movie fully o, she don even start already. She just dey finish one location set of recent. Say toh, is he still ready to collaborate? Na im say yes, he still want to collaborate, so that the thing go really make sense, say na Cameroon and Nigeria na dem produce something like this. Na she come say toh, she get storyline wey she dey work on now, say e go really make sense. Is about cross country, Nigeria and the Cameroon, like story relating to that, and it will really be interesting. Everybody go watch, they go love am, they go enjoy am. So she dey work on am. So she just say make she carry the man along, whether e dey interesting, whether e dey interested. The man say yes, he is interested. The next thing wey dis Ipa go do, e go shortalize una. Wey make I dey talk am now say, at this point in time, I think Regina Daniel should also check the people wey dem dey around her, because make it make sense. How this man dey take dey know some kind moves wey Regina Daniel dey move, and how e dey take know some kind wakama wey she dey do, wey go make him go come dey totori her, dey go behind her back, go dey do some kind kurukere movement, come dey make dem come dey doubt the girl. At the end of the day, she need to watch people around her, watch like very closely, because they get Judas wey dey around her, wey dey know everything about her. Maybe the person wey dey write the story, or person wey she dey talk, maybe the person dey window dey lis ten, or one thing, because I no believe say Ipa go dey smart enough reach wey im go come put camera for Regina Daniel body dey take dey get information, because ever since she left, she has changed everything, even her phone. According to the information, she has changed virtually everything, wey make me dey find am difficult to believe that could it be that he has do something again, or maybe he plant somebody there wey she trust more, wey don enter her phone dey get her data and information again, because I no understand. So make we no come deviate from the matter. The thing just dey be me like a thing of concern. So after Regina Daniel don conclude with the man come say he will get back to her. Im go need to ask one or two. He is not the only one here. So they go need to calculate. They go need to check wetin im dey bring in. You understand? Na based on say na joint work. Im go talk the place where im go take come in. The Regina go talk her own where she go come in, so that they go collaborate, make the thing work, come out perfectly fine. He now said he is not the only one, that he will talk to his cabinet, others, make them know how they will do the meeting, come to conclusion. Regina Daniel say no problem. Before you know, now Ipa don dey bring another story. Una remember that time wey Regina Daniel come out with, wey she bring her wedding ring, when they be dey drag her say why she comot her wedding ring as she bin go off social media, wey she deactivate her account. After she deactivate am, come back, come delete all Ipa pictures and all. When dem talk say Chika Ike born pikin for Ipa, this one, that one. When she been deactivate, comot wedding ring, do everything, put together. As she return back, no wedding ring. Say people come dey drag am, dey go, they no dey again with Ipa, they don't do this one, they no do that one, they no do this one. On a very good day, during her birthday, Ipa come buy another ring for Regina Daniel. Now Regina Daniel come talk and say, this ring become a very big problem. Say her former ring, she been lost am, she misplaced am, she no know how she do with am. So tey the thing become big problem wey Ipa come talk say him no go buy another one for her for misplacing that one. He no go buy another one. This, that. He talk thank you, talk very much, you get. So at the end of the day now, as she misplace her, him come back, as he don buy, wey she come announce am say finally her wedding ring don come back. Ipa don buy another one, and she promise say she no go lose this one again. Ipa too come do press release. He say im talk am because she no dey hear word. Ring wey im carry buy give her, how many carats gold. At the end of the day, she lost am. Im come bin promise say he no go buy again, but finally im don buy. He loves her, this one, that one. They prophesy love for each other. People they do God when. So now like this, now Ipa come dey talk now say that ring, say Regina Daniel sell am for people wey dey sell gold. She sell am for them, collect money, take buy powder. Una know say im talk am say she dey take one or two, she dey take thank you, dey take very much. He say na sell she sell am, take am buy powder. So the people now come back, come reveal the secret to am, carry the ring come back, come give Ipa. Now Ipa now come snap the ring, come write letter to that man for Cameroon, telling the man say that he should please, since Regina Daniel came back from Obodoyibo, she carry results from there, tell the whole world say him Ipa im dey lie, say she no dey take druggy, say wetin she dey take na molly, say Ipa lie for her head, this, that. Say he was just looking at her. Even when he come out to defend am, say na lie, Regina only use flusher to take calm the thing down so that she can do the test. Say na pure addict na she be. Now people say, if you say na pure addict wey we know, they cannot even if they take flusher, they cannot stay in a day without taking the thing wey im talk say she dey take. And 5 different thick things wey im write say she dey take, no be small things. As for a lady like that, she for don knock mad enter street now. So people no believe am. Now im come talk say say now she can't go Obodoyibo, come back with fake results. People come dey believe, whereas na wetin im talk na e be, e no lie. Say e even mention names of people wey they go need to confirm am if im dey lie. Even the agent chairman confirm am say no be lie na Ned Nwoko lie. even the agent chairman too come mention some kind people wey be say they don encounter Regina Daniel before, so dem know say no be lie na im dey lie. So last last like this, omo, they say no, they believe Regina Daniel, they no believe Ipa. Now Ipa now come send message to that man for Cameroon, after which he no talk say this girl wan collaborate with this man, and in as well say that collaboration, it will be a talk of the town because no be small facilities na dem dey go provide. And in as well say they bring that facilities, no be small thing na e go be, everywhere go choke. The movie go be talk of the town on a normal time because two head coming as one no be small thing. So na wetin Regina Daniel wan be that, she wan break record. Na this man go tell dem for there say say abeg, before they go any further, say Regina Daniel don call am a liar, she don call am this, don call am that, by coming with a fake result saying that she no dey take ekwumili, say im dey lie, say she no dey take powder, say im dey lie. Even after im call the names of her friend wey dey follow dey take am, dey still say im dey lie. Say okay, no wahala, make dem help am ask Regina Daniel for there say wetin she do with her wedding ring, because Ipa, after which he send dem message, he still send the debit alert wey im take pay the guy wey bring the ring come back for am, say na im sell am for Regina, na im buy am for Regina Daniel hand. He say he buy am for her hand, she use am buy powder. Im still credit the guy for bringing the wedding ring to am, because no be small carat gold na im she carry go sell for small money for the guy. He still send the proof of the payment of the ring, send am for this man when I dey tell you like this. So come even still send the number of the man wey bring the ring for am, say na Regina Daniel come sell am for am, of which true na the ring. He still send the man number to this Cameroon man, say make dem call am, say e no dey do backyard matter, im dey talk am straightforward as it is, e no fit lie. Say Regina Daniel na im own and he want her betterment, but she is not sober. She still dey feel am like she is right, say na that one na even dey pain am pass. Say he no talk say he did not come out to say those things because he want to shame her. He came out to say it so that she can change. But till today, till tomorrow, say Regina Daniel never change. Say she go spoil a reputation, she go spoil wetin im build. Say he no talk say make him believe am more, but all this evidence wey im don provide make the man look into am, make him ask her some series of questions. Also, he can call the man that brought the ring and all their conversation wey they had with the man to confirm say im na elderly man, im no go fit lie. Me, I come dey ask now say, what is his gain in doing all of this? Why going to meet an outsider against person wey be say you dey beg on daily basis? You don waka 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 so that the girl can now be useless, so that the girl can now enter the prepare, so that the girl can now be seeing herself as I don fail oh. The only person now wey go fit revive me na my husband, my estranged husband. Let me just return back to am. I believe say na wetin Ipa dey find be this. Because if not, why are you looking for her downfall? Now the people now, instead of the way they go get back to Regina Daniel, they became mute. According to the information, that Regina Daniel was now calling them. They call that man, he no pick. He call him PA no pick. Till today, he never return call. Why? Because they don't see am like Ipa really bring evidence down. He say make dem ask her where she keep that her wedding ring. Say the girl go spoil im reputation. By the time wey she misbehave, do some kind things for where im matter dey, im money and all. Say na that time you go know say im no lie. I am like, wow, wahala dey oh, wahala dey on ground. Make God come have mercy on us. Say person go come go marry spiritual husband like this so omo, no be small thing oh. Because this one even pass spiritual husband. If no be spiritual husband, why you dey totori the girl? Wey make me dey talk am for the beginning of my video say Regina Daniel need to check the people around her. Make she check her phone again, whether im don send somebody wey don come carry, because as she dey go location set these days now, somebody fit just collect her phone say e wan e wan snap her, or e wan edit her video, or e wan edit picture for her. E go execute the thing wey e pass send am, because how e take know and wetin the man stand to gain. If you want her back, must not mean you, for the same woman wey be say e don born 2 children for you, at least you pray for her to win, so that if your children paraventurally go stay with her, dem no go suffer. Abi no be so dey dey do something? But last last, it is what it is. Now that the people refuse to call Regina Daniel again for reasons best known to them. My people, the matter e choke o. E choke. I say no, make I carry am come drop for una. Make una hear wetin dis man, the level, the length wey im dey go because of small girl wey no gree marry am again. Say nothing wey person no go see, nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Na im be dis matter so. What do you guys think? Make una do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.